Sairam students. So we have completed in the previous period that what are the different drugs, what is the effect of the different drugs, that is which part is used of the different plants and how these drugs are taken. Then we have completed with that why do the children start taking the drugs or the alcohol, what is the reason for taking that. So how many points did we discuss, how many reasons we have discussed? And
Number 8.
eight. All the 8 points, all the 8 reasons are very clear to everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then we discussed the topic addiction and dependence. So I'll just revise that addiction is what? Once the person starts taking the drugs and that feeling of happiness which is there, due to that the person again tries to take it. So that way the addiction begins. Okay, but when the person continues to take those drugs, you will find that now the addiction is not there. Body becomes dependent on those drugs. Body will not be able to perform its duties until and unless the person takes the drugs. Means the systems of the body, different organs of the body start demanding that drug in order to function. And that condition, that state, we call it as dependence. Is it very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
the beginning, once that habit of taking the drugs is there, we will call it as addiction. What will be called?
Addiction.
Addiction. But once that addiction is continuing for a long time, person continues to take those drugs for a longer time, then what happens, the different organs of the body will start demanding those drugs, and that state we call it as dependence. Now, if the person is addicted to any drug and decides that I have to quit that habit of taking a particular drug, so it is easy for a person. But if the that condition reaches to the state of dependence, means the body organs or the body has started demanding the particular drug, so then it becomes very difficult for a person to quit that habit. And if such a person who is now dependent on a particular drug decides that I have to stop taking those drugs, so then what will happen? Then what problems are there? Then first withdrawal symptoms will come. सच पर्सन विल हैव टू फेस, अगर वो किसी दिन जो जितना डोज ड्रग का लेता था वो नहीं लेगा, तो what will happen, the body will show some withdrawal symptoms. And what will be those symptoms? That is, the person may feel, that is anxiety may be there, body will show the shakiness, then the person may have the feeling of nausea, some sweating may be there, and these are symptoms which come if the body is not given that particular dose of the drug. We call it as withdrawal symptoms. Okay, and we call it as withdrawal syndrome. What is this characteristics? Symptoms in collective we call it as, or the state of
Withdrawal symptoms.
withdrawal syndrome. What you call it? Withdrawal syndrome. What do we call it?
Withdrawal syndrome.
Syndrome. Okay, and what are the symptoms of this withdrawal syndrome? Anxiety,
Nausea, sweating, anxiety.
anxiety and shakiness. Is it very clear to everyone this much? Now, if such a person, अगर किसी को withdrawal syndrome हो रहा है, and if such person wants to stop taking the drugs, so then we'll have to go to the rehabilitation centers. They'll have to do that work under the medical supervision. So, you know, we have so many rehabilitation centers जहाँ such people go, and then they are given the small doses of those drugs. They keep reducing the dose of the drug, and they keep monitoring these symptoms, and they relax, they give them something so that these all symptoms are reduced, and gradually then they stop taking those drugs. So this is the condition, this is the difference between addiction and dependence. So all have understood what is the meaning. Second thing, what is dependence? What is the meaning of withdrawal syndrome? And what are the symptoms seen during the withdrawal syndrome? Very clear to all
Ma'am,
of
ma'am, can you repeat the symptoms?
symptoms. Symptoms are anxiety, then shakiness. The body will shake. कुछ भी काम करेंगे उनके हाथ कांपेंगे. Okay, then nausea. They'll feel like vomiting. The sensation of vomiting will be there. Then body will start sweating. Body will sweat if the drug is not taken.
Okay.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now shall we take up to the next topic? So next is that what are the warning signs of the drug and alcohol abuse? Okay, this should be known to everyone because you have to identify the people around you whether they are addicted to drug or not. Okay, then only now this is the age children when you should know that who is having such habit. Okay, who are the people, which friend of yours is having such a habit. Okay, because you don't have to, you will be able to in a way remember if such any friend gets into these habits, you have to guide that friend not to take it, and you have to keep yourself away from such habits also, this abuses also. Okay, so what are the warning signs? Now I'm presenting the screen so that I can write down also, and you can note down the things. You can write down, children, in your notebook, put today's date and write down warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse. Warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse. So these are all very simple signs and you all must have observed all. So we'll be moving little faster. And if any doubt you have, you can ask me. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the screen. So we are discussing today with the warning signs. We are discussing warning signs. And these are the warning signs of what? Warning signs of
Drug abuse.
Drug and
Drug and
warning
alcohol
signs
abuse.
of drug and alcohol abuse. So now let us see what are these warning signs. Can anyone tell how you come to know that कोई drug ले रहा है? Anyone?
Eyes become red.
हाँ मंजुल से.
Ma'am, the person's eyes become reddish.
हाँ right. Okay, eyes will show, eyes become red. Anyone else?
मैम उसकी फिजिक्स में चेंजेस आने लगते हैं.
हाँ yes आस्था.
मैम उसकी फिजिक्स में वो या तो वेट लॉस कर लेगा, ऐसे चेंजेस आने लगते हैं.
वेट लॉस हो जाता है, बिल्कुल सही, उसका वेट लॉस होगा. और क्या? एनीवन
Ma'am,
एल्स?
hair loss. Ma'am, hair loss.
एक नैन हेयर लॉस.
हेयर लॉस में भी देयर. ओके, व्हाट एल्स?
तो होगा तो स्टडीज में वो
हाँ स्टडीज
स्टडीज
में
में
लो.
इफेक्ट आएगा.
ओके, परफॉर्मेंस लो हो जाएगा. ठीक है, व्हाट एल्स?
Ma'am, aggressive behavior.
यस
हाँ
मैम.
aggressivity. So what we'll do, we'll quickly sum up. You all also keep writing in your notebook one by one. Okay, number one, drop in academic performance. Drop in academic performance. Clear to you? So such a person, such a child will not be able to concentrate in studies, will not think of doing well in the studies. So academic performance will drop. And then next warning sign is unexplained absence from school. Unexplained absence from school. So such child will remain absent from the school. Okay, there will be no genuine reason why remaining absent, but would not feel like coming to the school. absent from the school or college. Then, lack of interest in personal hygiene. You know, the person who is as a means the boy or a girl who is taking the drugs will not feel like grooming themselves. पहले बहुत अच्छे से means keeping oneself very presentable, but when such person starts taking the drugs, will not take care of the personal hygiene. Lack of interest in personal hygiene. Will not feel like wearing good clothes. Understood, everyone? This is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next is your withdrawal. Such a child will not participate in all your activities, will try to live alone only. Okay, कोई भी activities ऐसी होती है जो आप क्लास में साथ में कर रहे हैं, but such child will keep himself or herself away from such activities. So that is only withdrawal. Then isolation. Again, such child will try to remain isolated. सबसे मिलना जुलना पसंद नहीं करेगा. So this is one warning sign कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Why the child is not mixing up with the others. Then the other thing will be depression. A child will remain depressed. May get tired very quickly. The other thing is what? Fatigue. That is, will get tired very quickly. The child who was very strong, working very strongly, was very energetic, and doing all exercise and all other work. But once the child starts taking these drugs, you find will feel tired. They aggressive, will become aggressive, will lose temper very quickly, and rebellious means will try to go against people. Okay, will not try to listen to anyone. So aggressive and rebellious. Okay, the relationship with the family and friends will also spoil. So deteriorating, deteriorating relationships with family and friends. With family and friends. So you'll find that they will not have good relationship with the family members also and with the friends also. The child who was very friendly, very polite with everyone will change the behavior. Okay, and then another one, loss of interest in hobbies. Loss of interest in hobbies. This is a very common thing. If the child gets involved in these drugs or in these abuses, so then will not feel like doing any the any hobbies also. पहले जो बच्चा बहुत अच्छे से अपना राइटिंग करना पसंद करता, गार्डनिंग एंड लिसनिंग म्यूजिक or playing any game, will not feel like giving the time to such activities. So loss of interest in hobbies. Then sleeping and eating habits will change. Sleeping and eating habits will change. Anytime we'll go to sleep, anytime would feel like getting up. Okay, हम लोग जब सो रहे हैं तो that person would feel like doing the work. Okay, so that way the change in the, can you all hear everyone? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Will feel like it's no one is there. So change in sleeping and eating habits. तो टाइम टेबल हर चीज का बिगड़ जाता है. They take less interest in keeping their timetable fixed. Okay, then the next write down fluctuations in weight. तो कभी वेट बहुत बढ़ जाता है, कभी वेट कम हो जाएगा. That is fluctuation in weight. And well, there will be loss of appetite. There will be loss of appetite, or that is fluctuations in appetite. Sometimes we'll feel like eating too much, sometimes we'll not feel like eating. So we can add up here only weight and appetite. So we'll not feel like hungry. Sometimes we'll feel like hungry, we'll eat nicely, and sometimes we'll not feel like eating. So how many points did we sum up the warning signs?
12.
14.
12. Okay, you have made it 14. So I hope all these signs are very clear to you. Now, next take up. अब extreme condition में क्या होने लगता है? You find that if these people are taking the drugs and everyone knows that drugs are very costly. Okay, now the parents will not give them the money to buy such drugs. They will think that where the child is spending the money. So in that case, anyhow they want to arrange the money for buying these drugs. अब arrange कैसे होगा? So they may turn to stealing. What will be the other example?
Theory.
हाँ, stealing. May turn to stealing. Is it clear? So this is another symptom, may turn to stealing. And that way you know that the whole family gets disturbed. What happens because of all these habits? The whole family will be disturbed. Now you all know how these drugs are taken.
Yes, ma'am.
We have discussed all different methods of taking the drugs. Now, if the person is taking the drugs, the males will be showing some different effects on the body, and the females will show the different effects on the body. So now try to take up in your write the subheading side effects of anabolic steroids. Side effects of anabolic steroids in females.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Sides of side effects. I'm writing weight, okay? So we have to understand what are the effects of, that is the side effects of these steroid, because these drugs are the steroidal. These asteroids also, you all know which ones. So we have discussed about it and how they'll be affecting the female body, how they'll affect the male body. So we'll see the effects first in females. So what will be the effect of the anabolic steroids? Females में किसका effect देख रहे हैं अपन? The side effects.
Anabolic steroids.
Anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids. So this is very, very important, children. Always remember, it's very frequently asked in the exam. So how it affects the females. So anyone can tell me how it will affect the female? Number one, write down masculinization.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the meaning of anabolic?
Anabolic and catabolic, two words we have discussed. Okay. So anabolic drugs, why we are calling? Because they are helping in the synthesis of the muscles and all. Okay. That's why we are calling them as the anabolic steroids.
Okay,
Metabolism includes two different steps. Okay, two different reactions. One, the anabolic reactions and the catabolic reactions. So anabolic are those reactions of the body where the synthesis takes place. Okay, and catabolic where the breakdown takes place. So these steroids are having the anabolic effect. So we call it as anabolic steroids. The first effect is a females will have the female characters. But if the female starts taking these steroids, these drugs, so then the male characters will start appearing. And that only we call it as masculinization. Okay, masculinization, that is appearance of the male characters. Appearance of male characters. Then another feature, what you say, or what other side effect will be there? The females, they are very soft. But if some girl is taking these drugs, so then will become aggressive. Okay, so increased aggressiveness. Increased aggressiveness will be seen in such girls who have started taking these drugs. You must have seen generally the girls who play, that is the sports person. Okay, उन लोगों का नेचर बहुत अलग रहता है. Okay, so that way वो character बहुत बढ़ जाएगा, increased aggressiveness, and then there will be mood swings. What else will be there? Mood swings. Do you all know what is the meaning of mood swings?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of mood swings?
मैम कभी गुस्सा हो जाना, कभी खुश है, एकदम चेंज हो जाना मूड.
कभी बहुत खुश रहना, कभी बहुत दुखी हो जाना. So that is only known as the mood swings. Then the depression may be there. Okay, another side effect will be, that is depression. Then all these drugs, remember, they affect the menstrual cycle. Okay, so abnormal menstrual cycle will be there. So you all know very well that menstrual cycle is the time period of the 28 days. Okay, and in that 28 days only we find all the changes in the uterus and the ovary. But what will happen if some female is taking these drugs? So the menstrual cycle will become abnormal. So abnormal menstrual cycle, and you can understand if the menstrual cycle will become abnormal. So what you think, the reproduction process will be affected or not?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस विल बी अफेक्टेड क्योंकि मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल के समय ही तो ओव्यूलेशन हो रहा है एंड दैट इज ओनली द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द यूटेरस फॉर रिसीविंग ओवम. So if both the processes are not going on, then the reproduction process will be affected. Then
मैम
excessive,
मैम इट कैन
yes,
डिक्रीज द फर्टिलिटी.
yeah, that is only ultimately the fertility will be reduced. Okay, when we say that reproduction process is affected, means the fertility will be affected. Okay, that is only the fertility. Now, what else will be there? There is excessive hair growth on the face and the body. There will be excessive growth on the excessive growth of hair So I hope you have understood. So this way try to understand that the male characters appear. What will happen? The male characters appear. Then enlargement of the clitoris. There is enlargement of the clitoris. So clitoris, children, it is the part which is homologous to the penis in the case of females. Okay, the clitoris is the external genitalia of the females and it is homologous to the penis. So that enlargement of the clitoris will be there if the female is taking the drugs. Then the voice will become heavy. So there is deepening of the voice. There is deepening of the voice. Understanding, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Huh. So I want everyone to remember these points, and if you remember the points, that will be easy for you. What are the side effects? So this way we have summed up how many side effects?
Eight.
8 side effects we have discussed. In the case of females, if the female is taking these steroids, so we will be seeing these different side effects. All the points are very clear, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see it in the case of males. So males, what will happen? It will include the acne. So acne starts appearing. Again, here also increased aggressiveness will be there. So that is a common feature. Increased aggressiveness. Mood swings will also be there. Depression will also be there. So we'll take up, you can note down, okay? Increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression. These three features, three side effects are common to male as well as the female.
Maybe
So
hair
no
loss.
doubt. Okay. Now additional, which is seen in the male, that is reduction of size of the testicles. Reduction of size of the testicles. Now what is testicle? That is the testes only. Okay, size of the testes will reduce. And now since the size of the testes will reduce, it will also affect the production of the that is production of the sperms. That is spermatogenesis process will also get affected. So decreased sperm production. Now, if the sperm production will decrease, so again, what is getting affected?
Fertility.
Fertility. Again, ultimately, remember, the fertility will be affected. So males also, females also, remember, if they are taking these drugs, the fertility will be affected. Okay, potential kidney and liver function. There will be decrease in the potential of, that is, kidney function. So this is very common thing, remember. Any alcohol or any drug, it affects the kidney and liver dysfunction. So,
Ma'am, baldness.
uh, baldness, baldness.
Baldness.
Very good. Potential. All these things are given in the book, children. You'll have to read it. And we are just making the points. We are summing up the things so that you can remember them in a better way. And you don't miss any side effect. So potential for kidney and liver dysfunction. Kidney and liver dysfunction. Understood, everyone? Now, as in the case of female, we are talking that the male characters will appear. In the males, it will be opposite. What will happen there? Female characters will start appearing. That is breast enlargement. What will be seen? The breast enlargement. There will be breast enlargement. Then premature baldness. Just now you have discussed premature baldness. In the young age only, the person will become bald. And the enlargement of the prostate gland. There will be enlargement of the prostate gland. Do you know what is the prostate gland? Anyone? Remembering where is prostate gland and what is its function?
Ma'am, production of the semen.
Right. The prostate gland, and which is the other gland helping in that process?
Ma'am, prostate gland, Cooper's gland.
Uh, so these are the glands associated. So Cooper's gland is not forming the semen. Which is the other gland? Anyone? Now you see that system, the male reproductive system, and tell me, I'll be asking next period again. Okay? We have done in detail in 10th class the male reproductive system. Okay, so how many students have understood this? Should we revise or it's very clear? So this is very, very important. Everyone has to remember it nicely that how the steroids are affecting the males and the females. Okay, now the last topic is the prevention and control. So we have discussed what are the different drugs and what are the harmful effects of the drugs, what are the warning signs. So now the question is that how you can prevent the drug abuse and the alcohol abuse, because you are knowing what are the reasons for it. So if you are knowing the reasons, you can understand that how you can prevent. So first is avoiding the undue peer pressure. Prevention. You can write down prevention.    . 。  . 。 . 。 . . . . 。 . 。 . . 。 . . . . . . 。 . . . 。 . . . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . Anjali, understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alima, noting the things?
Yes, ma'am.
Alima?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all the topics are very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now we'll quickly take up the last topic of this chapter, that is prevention and control. So first thing, what has to be done in order to prevent these drug alcohol abuse is to avoid the undue peer pressure. The people start taking these drugs due to the peer pressure also. So what has to be done? That the child, that is boy or a girl, should should be supported by the friends, should be supported by the friends, and that peer pressure should be stopped. Now you all know that generally what is done in this age, the expectations from the child increases a lot. Parents also expect a lot. Now what has to be done? There should be that peer pressure from the friend side also, the expectations increase, so that should not be there. So according to the potential of the child should be posed for performing. Okay, so performance will be according to the potential. There is a threshold limit of every child, so there should not be any undue pressure. That should be avoided. Then the other thing is education and counseling. If the child is counseled, to them we can stop that whatever problem may be there, just current say the child has started taking the drugs, or why the child is taking the drugs or thinking of taking the drugs, that can be avoided. So the problems, the stress of the child can be discussed with the person whoever may be. Means you have to see that every child is comfortable with someone, maybe the friend or any family member or any teacher, so should discuss, and the counseling should be done, and that energy should be transferred. जो भी problem है उसको कैसे sort out करते सकते हैं, means why we can channelize the energy of the child into some healthy habits. The child may take up to some sports, can take up to reading habits, or music, yoga, or any other extracurricular activities. And that way, we can prevent the drug or alcohol abuse. Then, what can be done? The third feature is seeking help from the parents and peers. तो अगेन whatever may be the reason, अगर पेरेंट्स बात करते हैं उनसे और peers उनके फ्रेंड्स, कहीं आपको पता चलता है कि someone is taking and is showing some warning signs, so then what should be done? The parents should be informed, friends should be informed, and they can talk to the child, and it can be prevented to mean the child can be prevented from getting addicted, can get and then will not be reaching to the state of dependence. Looking for danger signs. So what has to be done? अगर हमको prevent करना है तो हमको alert रहना पड़ेगा. Parents, friends all have to be alert. If any warning signs are seen, if any danger signs are seen, immediately what should be done? Speak up.
And proper counseling.
Parents should be informed.
हाँ, पेरेंट्स शुड बी इन्फॉर्म्ड, और पेरेंट्स को बच्चे से बात करना है, उनकी प्रॉब्लम को समझना है, सो दैट दे कैन डिस्कस वेरी ओपनली, एंड प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व, बच्चे का स्ट्रेस कम किया जा सके, सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉर्ट आउट कर सके. ओके, एंड द अदर वन, द लास्ट इज, अगर कंडीशन इज मतलब क्रिटिकल हो चुकी है तो फिर क्या करना पड़ेगा? दैट इज प्रोफेशनल हेल्प लेनी पड़ेगी. ओके, अगर प्रिवेंट करना है, इफ द हैबिट हैज टू बी गिवन अप, अगर ऑलरेडी वो एडिक्टेड हो चुका है, तो देन व्हाट हैज टू बी डन? देन द प्रोफेशनल हेल्प हैज टू बी टेकन, मेडिकल हेल्प हैज टू बी taken. The child should be taken to the highly qualified psychologists, psychiatrists, and de-addiction or the rehabilitation centers. Is it clear? So how many preventive measures you have to remember?
Four.
Number one,
Count,
number one,
Peer pressure
avoid
should be
undue
stopped.
peer pressure.
avoid undue. You will be able to explain each of the method of preventing in your own words or not? Children, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
ये सब
Yes,
अपने
ma'am.
ये सब अपने मन से ओन वर्ड्स में आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देना है. ओके. सेकंड वन, व्हाट डिड आई से? एजुकेशन एंड
Counseling.
Counseling.
counseling. Education and counseling. So you all should note down the things, and you should be able to explain in very simple language. Then seeking help from, किससे help लेना है?
Parents and peers.
Parents.
Seeking help from the parents and the peers. So I think you can write very nicely in your own words. Without the parents and peers' help, we cannot do anything. So that is very important. Then what should be done? हमको अगर prevent करना है तो everyone should be aware of the danger signs. That what are the danger signs? अगर वो ही नहीं पता होगा तो how will come to know that someone has started taking the drug? So looking for the, everyone has to be very alert. इस एज में, adolescence period में, everyone should be very alert, should monitor the child. फ्रेंड्स को भी अलर्ट रहना चाहिए. कोई आपके फ्रेंड्स अगर लगता है कुछ चेंजेस आ रहे हैं तो इट शुड बी इन्फॉर्म. जरा में पता चल जाता है. आप लोग को तो समझ में आता होगा कि जरा से में अगर बच्चे का, आपके फ्रेंड्स का मूड सही नहीं है तो समझ में आ जाता है कि कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है. isn't it? And you all are there with your friends since childhood, and you all know very well what is the nature of your friend. So if you find any changes, then that should be noted and should be brought in the notice of the parents and the peers. And if the condition is critical, then what has to be done last? What has to be done last then?
Medical help.
Professional and medical help. Professional or medical help meaning what? I told you अगर dependence है
Rehabilitation center.
rehabilitation centers जाना पड़ जाता है. How many students have seen the movie Sanju?
मैम
मैम
देखिए आप.
मैंने. Yes,
देखिए
ma'am.
मैम.
Yes,
देखिए.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
You all have seen?
Yes,
You all have
ma'am.
seen very nicely that how he was taken there, and then किस तरह से he gave up the habit of taking the drugs. So we have completed with the chapter, children. Okay, it is already 48. We cannot start today with a new chapter, isn't it? Now I want everyone to do one thing. Monday will be your next class. So Monday I want you all to read which topics from the microbes in human welfare chapter, that is microbes in household products. Now try to understand. I am giving you a brief means introduction of your that chapter. We have to understand in that chapter that how the microbes are used by human beings in different fields. Is that clear? So you know very well that we use the microbes in the household also. घर में हमारे जलेबी बन रही है या इडली बन रही है तो you know simply that we are doing the fermentation, and fermentation is done by the help of the organism that is yeast. Okay, that is a simple example I have given. Same way, the industries are also using the microbes for making the wine. That is the different beverages. Okay, different drinks. Then we are taking the antibiotics whenever any infection is there. Those antibiotics are again prepared by the microbes, that is the bacteria, that fungi. Okay, इतने सारे एक तरह के microbes. So you have done the project also that one type of microbes are producing the toxins, and those toxins are preventing the growth of the other microorganism. So that way the antibiotics play a very important role in killing the pathogens. Okay, then we find so many chemicals are there. आज आप लोग ads में देखते हैं that your detergent kits, detergent powders, they are having the enzymes. और some कोई ad देखा है इसमें एंजाइम है, तो दाग धब्बे ऑयल दाग जल्दी से छूटेंगे। तो ये ad देखे? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मैम
हाँ,
वो
तो
वैनिश का ऐड होता है।
किसका ad
हाँ,
है?
oxygen enzyme.
याद है किसी को? ओके,
हाँ
तो इस तरह
वैनिश
से
का
ना
ऐड
दे आर गिवन इन दिस चैप्टर। आई वांट एवरीवन टू रीड first 4 pages of your microbes in human welfare chapter. Everyone will do this work. Will you
यस
do
मैम।
it?
Yes,
हाँ,
yes, ma'am.
okay.
यस मैम।
First four, that is your chemicals, enzymes, and bioactive molecules. Till that topic, you will read it. Okay, so that we can move little faster. So I am stopping the sharing work. So we will do Shanti Part now. I'll stop the recording also.